What's up guys, it's your boy Eduardo with another video. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome. This is the Eclipse GST right here. And we're gonna install a mod on it today guys. And as you can see by the title of the video, it's a rear diffuser splitter. And we're gonna get to it real quick. But before we start that, I wanted to let you guys know we have two mods for it. So we're gonna make two different videos, and I'll let you guys know in the next video what other mod we got. Comment down below and guess, because it's a pretty nice sweet model, so which is gonna go with the car. So guys, with all that being said, let's get to the video.
How's that? That's it right there, dude.
Damn, it's gonna look good. It's right there in the corner.
Yeah. I'll put them so that way they line up.
So we're gonna screw right there in that corner. Guess one other one goes over here. Pretty simple install, guys. So guys, this is the screw we're thinking about using because it's black, so we don't have to look at this shiny chrome looking ass screw. So we're gonna replace it with this, and it'll sure look more cleaner. Super bird car.
Why are you driving this? Let me see the oil. On this?
You kidding me? Oh, it just ticks.
Yeah. What'd you think, Ruben? Should I put two more right here?
Yeah, put them.
If you want my consultation,
Put them?
put them.
No regrets.
Yeah, no good.
How many screws you put?
4.
So guys, Oscar finished putting the rear diffuser on. You can see.
I put 6, huh?
You can barely tell from here, but he put 6 screws on it.
3, 4. No, it's 4.
It's on there tight. And yeah guys, how much was this anyway, by the way?
About 50 bucks.
50 bucks, god damn. Oh, and of course guys, it's aerodynamic.
It's my GSX.
It is for a GSX, but it fits on the GST also guys. And yeah guys, looks pretty clean.
Oh no, actually. Got my nipples.
Cheers. Hey, how long did we take to install it, Oscar?
Like 10 minutes.
A little 10-minute,
Measuring where it wants to go.
little 10-minute mod installation.
Now the other one I need help.
Now the other one, guys, like I said, it got another mod. So if you want to see that other mod, comment down below and let us know what you think it is. But we're gonna install that right after this video. So yeah, guys, comment down what mod you think it is. It's aggressive.
No.
What happened?
I'm gonna get this painted. If I keep the car,
Yeah.
paint that black.
You mean HTP?
Yeah.
HTI. You said HTI.
I went all over there.
I told you.
All over there.
Don't worry, it's just the rim. Like it could be.
Also, guys, we're gonna install this real quick, which is a rear visor for the Volvo. You ready to move it?
Yeah.
Also, guys, we installed this wing yesterday, which I didn't record. It was a pain in the butt to put on, right, Rubet?
Yeah, pain in the ass.
But yeah, we're gonna do this real quick. We clean the surface, and we're gonna use some 3M tape that it came with.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
You know what's funny? That's the same one I put on my Acura.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. You got it from New York? The
What,
one I got said it was from Brooklyn, New York.
Oh, for real? No, I don't know.
So we're gonna start 3M tape, guys. Stick it, huh?
Oh yeah.
It looks perfect. Oh shit. Alright guys, so we installed the rear visor on. It's pretty clean, pretty flush. Let me see, let me take a look. Looking real clean. So yeah guys, it's gonna end this video where we install that rear diffuser on the Eclipse GST and that little rear visor. And like I said, we're gonna install a different mod on the GST right now. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out guys. Have a great day.